Okay, this is the Arduino hooked up to a breadboard and hooked up to a fan. The fan is running off the V-in off the main power, and all the electronics are running off 5 volt. There's three sections here. On the bottom left, I have a couple of resistors going off to the photo emitter. On the top right, I have the load resistor on the phototransistor, and on the top left end there is just an LED and a transistor, so I can see when the beam is being interrupted or not. But that's not hooked up because we're taking that black wire over to pin 2 for that digital in. The fan itself has two little boxes around the phototransistor and the diode. So yeah, two little boxes to allow the infrared beam to be detected without interruption with ambient light. And that's it. So I'm going to go over to the computer now. Okay, you can see the Arduino sketch there. I'm using a community library called Timer1, so I don't have to actually sit there and check the milliseconds or anything until I want to actually print anything out to the serial port. I can just set up a second timer, and the main part of the function set up, and all loop is doing is iterating over. I'm using interrupts and no interrupts to make sure that nothing happens while I'm reading the values that are being updated by the interrupt. Let's see, the interrupt function is very simple. It just takes the current counter value, sets it to 0, does this within a no interrupt section, and divides it by the number of fins and multiplies it by the number of seconds in a minute to get the RPM. And we'll kick this off. So it's now uploading, or compiling, and then we'll tell it to upload. And now it's done uploading, we'll kick off the serial monitor. And you can see now it's reading 1,722 odd revolutions per minute. So I'm going to keep this on here, and I'm going to try and slow down the fan with my finger. And you can see that it's down to 1140, 900, 634, and halted 0. And let go again, and there it is going back up to speed. And there we have it.